Right, we've come to the end of the Advent Calendar series. We've had some good ones. We've had some, well, most of them were bad actually. We've had a lot of bad ones. And I thought today we would end on potentially the worst Advent Calendar you can buy. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming the final video from my little Advent Calendar series. It's been a great time, it's been really fun, and I wanted to end on a funny one. So I wanted to try and get the worst one I could find. I mean, I don't know yet, I haven't opened it. This might surprise us and be really good. I doubt that though. This Advent Calendar was £5. It's called the Countdown to KISSMAS cosmetic advent calendar. It's by the brand Kiss, I think, but you can only get it in Wilkinson's or Wilko, whatever you want to call it. It was a £5, by far the cheapest advent calendar that I've tried in this entire series, and I've just got to make do with whatever comes out. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, day number 1 is this one here. Do you know what? It was a nice one to open. How many advent calendars have I struggled to open? Oh. Okay, so the first thing we've got is this delightful lipstick. Oh wait, I'm on manual focus. That ain't gonna work, is it? Nice one. This is a lipstick. It's in a really bright reddy pinky colour. I'm gonna film this one in the old style where I'd actually put the products on as I take them out, just because it makes it more of a challenge and I want to end on a good old challenge. So wow, that is a nice lovely bright pink, isn't it? Cool. Tell you what though, nice and creamy to apply. Like, it applies really nicely. Yeah, that was actually really nice and easy to apply, and it doesn't look that bad. It's definitely not my kind of colour. Day number 2. Oh wow, he popped out. What is that? Okay, so it says perfect your pout on the front, so I'm guessing it's another lip product. It looks kind of just like a pink lip balm kind of thing. Yeah, it's got like a bit of colour to it. Day number 3 is, that is a bloody small nail polish. That would do one hand for me. It's kind of adorable, but at the same time a little bit ridiculous. So yeah, you get a miniature, very miniature, I was about to say purple, it's definitely not purple. A miniature silver glittery nail polish. Day number 4, I kind of love it. I think it's one of those hairbands. Did I get one of these in a different video? I think I did. So I actually don't mind this. I'm going to put it on my arm and have a fiddle. Day number 5 looks like it's going to be another one. Oh my goodness, I'm a mind reader. An advent calendar reader? It's not really got a mind, has it? It's a bloody piece of cardboard. I'm on day 5 and I've only got lipstick on so far, so it's not looking good for the full face challenge, but we'll keep going. Day number 6 is this one here. Oh, another lip product. Uh-oh, maybe it's all lip products and hair bubbles. I don't really need another lip product right now, so I'm just gonna put this to one side, but yeah, it's kind of the same shade as well, so it's like a lip gloss version of the lipstick. Day number 7 is it's an eyeshadow in this really dark brown colour. It's not a matte, it's kind of got like a sheen to it. These advent calendars never have matte eyeshadows, they're always shimmery, which makes it kind of difficult to do an entire look with all shimmers. Something wrong with me. So I'm just going to take a bit of that on my brush and I guess just pop it on my eyelid. Maybe there'll be something later in the video that I can combine it with, but for now, let's just pop a bit of this on. It doesn't look too bad. Yeah, the only issue is that it's kind of gone all over my face, but it's not too bad. I thought it would be worse, I'm not going to lie. Day number 8 is, a sponge. So we've got a makeup sponge. It's pink and do you know what? It actually feels quite nice. I wouldn't really use a sponge like this, but if you like this kind of thing, I imagine it might work. Maybe I'll use it to get all the stuff off my cheeks. Dab away at the fallout. It looks like a little like teardrop, doesn't it? Day number 9 is another one. Oh my goodness, how many of these am I going to get? I don't need any more. I was happy with one. Day number 10 is another lip gloss. This is more of like a reddy colour. Should we pop a bit on actually to try and make this a little bit less pink? Because I personally do not like wearing pink lips. Don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to give it a go. It didn't work. Cool. Oh, day number 11's a big one. Okay, that's probably the biggest one we've got so far. In fact, it's the biggest one on the whole thing. Oh, it's always the big ones. The big ones excite you and then they're never anything good. That is what she said. So day number 11 is a couple of these toe separators. We've got some bright orangey red ones this time. I've got so many of these from doing these videos. I tell you, I could separate my toes for life, but yeah, that's unfortunately all we've got. So I can't do my makeup with those. Day number 12 is... oh gosh. Day number 12 is one of these little eyeshadow brush things. I say it like this because are they really? I mean, to me it's like a bit of plastic with two sponges on the end and they don't work. So bye. We can't be mean about it though, that's the thing. I'm taking the piss, but if I really think about it, this advent calendar is only £5 and it's designed for kids who probably just want to play around with makeup. So I can't really moan about it because it's only a £5, but I'm gonna take the piss anyway because it makes it more fun. So day number, wait, what are we on? Day number 13 is this one here. Ooh, another nail polish that is designed for a very small person. Oh, actually, yeah, I'd probably wear something like that. So that one's all right, but again, can't put it on my face, so I'm gonna just pop it down there. Come on, give me face things. Day number 14 is a nail file. Oh, there he is. I was gonna say, if this advent calendar doesn't have a nail file, I'll be shocked. Do you know what though? It has a pun on it. It says nailed it. So I like it. This is probably my favorite nail. Oh no, actually. Can't put that on my face either, so I'm starting to get a bit worried now that this is going to be a fail. Day number 15 is a lip liner. Yeah, so we've got a red lip liner. I've already done my lips, I tell ya. I don't really like lip liners either. I've tried, well, was it the other day I tried in a video? Didn't go very well, did it? I'm not good with lip liners, but let's just... Day number 16 is... ooh. No. So they give you a mascara. Admittedly, it looks like a pretty naff one, but I'm happy to have a mascara. Let's give it a go. Let's put a little bit on. I thought for a minute it was a green mascara, but that's just the packaging. It's black. We're all good. We've got our work cut out here. I tell you, this is going to take quite a lot of coats. No matter how hard I try, it's just not really doing anything. I've put quite a few coats on, and this is all we got, so Day number 17 is this one. Oh, something green. Perfect Your Pout again. So it's another lip thing in green. Wait, I thought for a minute it was green. Then I went to put my finger in and I thought it was empty. Turns out it's clear. So it's just a little clear lip balm kind of thing. Day number 18 is... sticks. Some sticks. Some sticks. I'm so confused. Why? I mean, maybe they sound nice. Yeah, I can only think that these are to do with like nails, I think. I don't know, I've never used anything like this for my nails before, but I think you maybe use them to like push bits and get bits out. Ugh. This is obviously designed for kids. Is a kid gonna open that, look at some sticks and be like, oh yes. Then again, we should all be grateful for what we get, so be happy with your sticks, kids. If that's what you get, be happy. Day number 19 is another nail polish. That's quite a nice colour actually. It's very summery, so not really for the season, but it's like a who are you? It's just a really bright coral coloured nail polish. Day number 20. Yes. Is this a matte eyeshadow? I might be able to do my eyebrows because I've been thinking, how am I going to do my eyebrows? I tell you what, the eyeshadow isn't looking too bad in this video compared to the others, like some of the other cheap ones that I've tried. I mean, it's very brown, like it's all one colour, but it's not too bad. There we go. I don't know if that's really done anything. I've just kind of put it through my crease and a little bit underneath. I'm just going to put a bit of this on my eyebrows. Let me know down below which advent calendar has been your favourite in the series. I would love to know. I'm pretty sure I know which one is everyone's favourite, but yeah, let me know down below which one you think was the best. Obviously this one. I mean, come on guys. Do you know what? I feel like it has actually worked a little bit. It's definitely too light for my eyebrows, but it's better than having nothing. They look better than they did before. At least there is something on the brows. So yeah, this thing was actually all right. It was multi-purpose, did a couple of things. We're now gonna move on to day number 21, which as we know is my lucky number. I feel like I've said that a lot recently because every time I do one of these videos, I say, oh, it's my lucky number. But I like to see what I get for my lucky day. My lucky day. All right, love, calm down. Oh. So it's just like a black kohl eyeliner pencil, which isn't really something I'd normally use. I mean, I'll put a little bit on, go on then. I know you're sort of meant to put it up in your eye, but I don't really like doing that. So I'll just pop a little bit along the line. Oh wow, it's very sharp. Yeah, I really wouldn't want to put this in my waterline because I tell you, I'd stab myself and it would hurt. There we go. I'm now going to move on to day number 22. Something different. This is Get Your Glow On highlighter. Okay, so this is the highlighter. It just doesn't look like it's got enough shimmer in it to be a highlighter. This would definitely be too dark for me. It might work on someone with deeper skin, but definitely not going to work for me. So maybe I'll use it as a bronzer. It honestly doesn't really do anything. Is it doing anything? I feel like it's not showing up at all. Day number 23 is this one here. Oh, stickers. So day number Day number 23 is a little pack of stickers. They are silver triangles. I don't think I have much use for this on my face. Day number 24, oh, it's the final day. Day number 24 is some more stickers. So, yeah. So this time you get some kind of like coppery rose gold stickers. I mean, I'm trying to make them sound fancier than they are. They're just triangle stickers. Yes, it's only a £5, but would you not jumble the stickers up so that maybe one's near the start and one's near the end? Not put them on the final 2 days, because that's so disappointing. I was not expecting that to be stickers again. Like, I was not expecting that. So that's a bit rubbish. So the little matte brown that I've used in my crease and on my eyebrows, I'm now gonna try and contour with it. This has been the best thing in the whole advent calendar because it's so multi-purpose, but yeah, let's see if it will work for a bit of contour, because I feel like I've just not put anything really on my skin. Oh, that's quite a lot actually. I mean, it kind of works as a contour shade, but it comes out quite strong, so I definitely need to try and blend this out a little bit. Do you know what you could also do? You could take a little bit of the pink lip balm and you could have used that as a cream blush. I kind of want to, because then I've sort of made a full face out of everything, haven't I? And that is the whole challenge. I feel like that has actually kind of worked because it is showing up in a little bit of a pinky tinge. DIY makeup products out of makeup products. And that means I now have a full face of makeup on apart from highlighter, but that highlighter wouldn't really work for me. So we've got a full face on. I do look like a bit of a mess, not gonna lie, but I told you at the start, I'm gonna look terrible by the end of this video, and I wasn't wrong. But at least I didn't fail the challenge, and that is all that matters. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted to do this one for a bit of fun because I just wanted to see what was inside a £5 advent calendar. And I tell you, it's not that bad. I mean, it's not great, but for £5, you really can't complain. And if there is someone in your life who's, you know, little and young, a child basically, I feel like they would enjoy it because it's just a bit of fun, isn't it? They can just play with the makeup. You can kind of do a full face with it. Not a good full face, but a full face at that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Thumbs it up if you've enjoyed the advent calendar series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Goodbye.